Good morning, distinguished guests, dedicated ROTC officers and cadets, esteemed members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, faculty and administrators of Sicaset Colleges Incorporated, as well as to the Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, Mid La Union Campus and South La Union Campus. Proud parents, and most especially the brave young men and women who stand before us today. The cadets of the basic and advanced ROTC programs. Today is more than just a ceremony. It is a tribute to discipline, to courage, and to a calling greater than oneself. As we gather here for this joint closing ceremony, we cannot merely mark the end of months of rigorous training and sacrifice. We celebrate the birth of a deeper sense of patriotism, leadership, and unwavering service to our beloved nation. To our cadets, you have marched through trials, endured fatigue, embraced discipline, and chosen service over comfort. That makes you not just students in uniform, but leaders in the making, guardians of peace, and symbols of hope in a world that greatly needs it. Sicaset Colleges, DIMSU MLUC, and SLUC unite in the shared mission of nation building through the Reserve Officers Training Corps. This solidarity proves that no matter the banner we march under, we are bound by one flag, one nation, and one shared future. So today, let us raise our heads high, not only in pride, but in promise, that the only thing or lessons learned will, instilled and the friendship formed will become the foundation of a life committed to service, integrity, and excellence. On behalf of all the organizers, facilitators, and institutions present today, welcome to this momentous occasion. This is your victory. This is your legacy. Mabuhay ang ROTC. Mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Ako po, si Dr. Yari Andaya, kumakatawan sa NSTP at ROTC unit ng Sicaset Colleges na nagsasabing, hi everyone, it's time to shine. Go and soar high. Good morning once again and welcome.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderful welcome remark. And now, for the presentation of graduates